So they just came back from boarding. We had to board them for 2 days because I had to work a whole bunch of crazy hours. And Alex wasn't around because she went to the East Coast. So we figured that we could spend a lot of time with other birds and have fun. So we missed them a lot. Well, I know I did because I was here, sort of. I was just here to sleep. So it's so nice to have them back. It's like 2 days without birds. That was a long time. That was a long time, huh, guys? So hopefully they'll be used soon. We got them a new toy. See if they want to take a bath in there, play around. Who knows? Pablita was sort of interested, and hopefully she'll get super interested. But anyway, she definitely needs a. See, she looks so fluffy. The fluffy Pablita. Rango, now he still looks really good. Oh, hi Rango. Hi. I hear you. Pablita. Hi. You're very cute. Look at you. Oh, why don't you go play in the bath? Go play in there. You definitely need a bath. You are so fluffy. You're crazy fluffy. Look at you. Uh-huh. Otherwise, I'll just spray you off for once you get back here in a few hours. Oh, pretty stretch. You doing a pretty stretch? Hi, Rango. Hey, you guys were in a little cage for a couple of days, so have some fun. Fly around. There you go. Go explore. Go explore. There's so much to see. Where are you guys going? I want you to play with the water. Play with the water. Gonna go look around? You gonna go poop all over the couch so we gotta clean it up? Hi. Hi, Pablita. I'm looking at you. Yes, I am. You're so cute. Where'd you go? Oh. Anyways. So they'll be out for another 2 hours. We'll just hang out and play and everything. So, get their little legs stretched out. Hopefully they fly around because they like flying. Oops. Hi.